right? So stuff like that is because of the hidden line view.
Yeah,
Or
yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yep.
so you're trying to see glass, the color, change the color of glass in a shaded view, Paul?
Yeah, yeah, I want my glass to have just a little tint of color, maybe just trying something out for fun. But oh yeah, like that.
So this is a hidden
Yeah,
line view. Um,
yeah, that's what I meant. Headline
in
view.
shaded
Yeah,
view, it has, you mean in a hidden line view.
yeah, sorry, headline
Got it.
view. Yep.
Got it.
No,
Okay.
that's exactly what I'm looking to do.
So I will show you what this setting is. This is my pretty much my default. Actually, this is probably in the template, so you could probably pull down the template file I posted. So the
Okay.
key is for that one. I think it's actually using this color here, but you need to have a solid fill for it to show or something like that. Let me see if I remember correctly. So I haven't done this in so long because it's just built into my stuff. So if I clear this out. So in hidden line view, I believe this is what drives it. But you need the transparency from the shaded view to make it transparent as well. So let me apply this. All right, so see how that got rid of the blue?
Okay.
Right, so when you're in hidden line view, it's a little weird because it's kind of using both, but it's not, so it's not using this color. This color is taking place when you're in shaded view. Hidden
Okay.
line view, hidden line view is going to represent this transparency, but not this color. Which is stupid, but
Oh,
it's just the way it is. So like
okay.
if I got rid of transparency, you'll notice even in hidden line view, it's going to be solid, right? But I could do anything I want with this color. It's not going to change anything. So
Hmm.
you're controlling transparency, but then you have to use a surface pattern to give it a color. So I go to solid fill, and then I use this color for this one. However, if I flip over to shaded, it's weird because you would think that the shaded color applies it, but I feel like it's still this guy because it's overriding that. So if
Because you're
I
not using rendered appearance, right?
correct. This is not rendered. This is shaded now. So I'm from hidden line to shaded. But what's weird is so if I turn this off, right? If I turn this color off, this pattern off, what you're going to see is it'll get darker. So by default, right, it's using this color and this transparency in a shaded view. But the second you
Okay.
do an override with this pattern, this is now also being used in the shaded view too. So it's kind of weird in the sense that essentially once you apply a solid fill, you're basically not using this color anymore,
Hmm.
you know? But that's what allows you to do these hidden line views, same with like the elevations and stuff. Right. So stuff like that is because of the hidden line view.
Yeah,
Or
yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yep.
yeah, so the key with that one, it's weird. It's the shading works until you override it with the surface pattern. Once you override with the surface pattern, then in shaded or hidden line view, it's going to use the surface pattern information.
Got it. Yeah.
That's the
Okay. That makes sense.
that's kind of the key to that one.